Brinkley, thank you. And in a week, 3 conservation organizations are taking the Bureau of Land Management to federal court in Medford. Klamath-Siskiyou Wild, Cascadia Wild, and Oregon Wild are hoping to stop portions of BLM's Integrated Vegetation Management Program. Joining us live is Newswatch 12's Luke Doughton. Luke, this case is complicated. You were talking to some people involved today. What can you tell us about why these 3 organizations are trying to prevent this BLM forest plan from happening?
Tim, today I talked to one of the legal directors for one of those 3 conservation organizations, and I also talked to the BLM field office in Medford. This case, it's about BLM's Integrated Vegetation Management Plan taking place in near Williams, in Josephine County, that's going to cover over 8,300 acres. An Integrated Vegetation Management Plan is essentially a way for the Bureau of Land Management to control fuels such as dead trees and undergrowth in the forests. The 2 sides are set to meet in federal court on Tuesday, April 2nd. Both sides agree that there needs to be maintenance done on our forests, specifically prescribed burns and fuel reduction through logging. Nick Cady, the legal director for Cascadia Wild, shared with me this earlier today.
In young plantations, they're doing prescribed burning after they log, and that is very non-controversial, mutually agreed upon, beneficial stuff for our communities from a fire perspective.
According to BLM and their public information specialist Kyle Sullivan, the purpose of IVM is to promote and develop safe and effective wildfire response opportunities that reduce wildland fire risk and high valued resource and assets, fire and disturbance resilient lands, and fire resistant stands, and habitat for unique and special status species and unique native plant communities.